The ultimate Dyson showdown, where we compare the powerful Vis Nav against the Spot+Scrub. The Vis Nav immediately takes the lead here, offering a significantly more affordable price point for budget buyers. Both robots feature high-quality polycarbonate bodies, ensuring they remain durable enough to withstand daily cleaning in your home.
The Vis Nav sports a striking blue nickel finish, while the Spot+Scrub offers a stealthy black option.
However, the Spot+Scrub dominates navigation with dual-line LiDAR, allowing it to map your home much faster. The Vis Nav strikes back with a lower profile, sliding under furniture where the taller scrubber cannot fit. While the vacuum uses piezo sensors, the scrubber wins with AI stain detection to target dirty areas intelligently. If you have high thresholds, the Vis Nav is superior, effortlessly climbing over obstacles up to 21 millimeters. The Vis Nav can also climb single steps, whereas the heavier scrubbing robot is restricted to flat floors. The scrubbing robot cleverly lifts its mop 10 millimeters, keeping your carpet safe and dry while it cleans. Pure power enthusiasts will prefer the Vis Nav, which delivers 22,000 pascals of raw, uncompromised suction. Its full-width brush bar spans the entire front, ensuring edge-to-edge dust pickup that leaves absolutely nothing behind. Interestingly, the Vis Nav uses an extending side duct, while its rival relies on a traditional rotating brush. The scrubber uses advanced AI to target stains, re-cleaning spots up to 15 times until they completely vanish. Its dock washes the mop with 60-degree hot water, dissolving grease and bacteria effectively every single time. Both machines feature HEPA filtration, but the scrubber adds silver ions to actively neutralize bad odors and bacteria. Neither robot supports auto-detaching mops, so you must rely on the auto-lift feature when traversing rug areas. The scrubber wins on autonomy with massive water tanks that automatically manage clean and dirty water for you. It also features a massive 3-liter dust bag, whereas the Vis Nav requires frequent manual emptying of bins. Only the scrubber supports automatic detergent dosing, ensuring your floors are cleaned with the perfect amount of solution. The all-in-one station completely transforms the experience, handling washing, drying, refilling, and emptying without you lifting a finger. Dyson ensures zero dust escapes back into your air, sealing pollutants inside both machines with medical-grade filtration. Both units are fully sealed to prevent leaks, ensuring that allergens remain trapped securely inside the machine. While the Vis Nav uses a fisheye lens, the scrubber combines an HD camera with laser mapping technology. The scrubber utilizes a green laser to illuminate dust, offering 40% better accuracy than standard LED lights. Advanced artificial intelligence allows the scrubbing robot to recognize and avoid nearly 200 different types of obstacles. You can monitor both robots remotely through the app, viewing real-time maps and camera streams from anywhere. The Vis Nav operates around 75 decibels, while the scrubber offers a quiet mode for silent cleaning sessions. For pet owners, the scrubber excels with an anti-tangle brush that handles fur without getting clogged up easily. It also intelligently avoids pet waste and sterilizes the floor, making it the safer choice for animal lovers. Battery life is a massive win for the scrubber, running for over 3 hours on a single charge. However, the Vis Nav recharges much faster, getting back to work in under 2 hours compared to 3. Only the scrubbing model supports hot water sterilization, ensuring your hard floors are free from germs and bacteria. It can also handle liquid spills and wet messes, which the dry vacuum simply cannot touch or clean. The Vis Nav is safer for carpets, while the scrubber relies on lifting its mop to avoid wetting. Both come with essential accessories, but the scrubber includes a detergent bottle and the advanced self-cleaning dock. Choose the Vis Nav for raw power, but the Spot+Scrub is the ultimate winner for total automation. Thank you very much for watching.